it's Ijeoma Kola. Today I'm going to be doing a different kind of video. So I've had my mom on the channel tons of times before, but today we're going to be talking about something that she has kind of introduced me to, which is real estate investment. She's been a real estate appraiser for years and years and years now, and she started to introduce me into the whole world of real estate investing. I am all about getting that coin and making it work for you. So I have definitely already earned some money by investing. So I want this video to open up the conversation about real estate investment if that's something that you might be interested in. So keep on watching, and if you have any questions at any point, feel free to write them down in the comments below, and myself or my mom will answer them as soon as we can. Let's go.
I've been doing appraisal since 1999 and got fully into it in 2000 when I eventually quit my nursing job. This kitchen as it is now, the setup is not functional.
Okay.
And it's closed, it's kind of enclosed.
Okay.
So what we do now is we have to remove this cabinet, the ceiling, everything.
Oh wow.
Knock off this wall. And reconfigure the whole thing and move this door to make it functional.
So we're going to do like an open concept kitchen.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah, because you don't have to be a millionaire to enjoy open concept. We do some rundown homes when they are purchased and then come back to do a final inspection after the house is completed. I decided to leave nursing and go into real estate because I needed to invest more time in my children. Remember I told you it has to be functional, or you can do something with it. There has to be potential. This house has one bathroom, but there is potential of putting another bathroom here.
Oh, okay.
Even if it's not a full bath, you can put a half bath, but we call it wasted space. So you have to convert it now to a full bathroom to make it more functional.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at the ceiling. Nobody will live here. But
by the time you're done, the ceiling will be all nice.
All nice and wonderful. From the time the house is bought, the most important thing is to get permits to make sure that all the work is done professionally and with city approval. From that time to the completion of the process, it takes about 3 months to get a good job done, depending on the condition of the house. Some of them take 2 months, some of them take up to 6 months. This house, looking as it is now with all that is going on, if you come back here in the next 3 to 4 months, you'll see a totally different house. As it is, it looks great. Yes, based on what we usually see, it listed for 89,000.
Okay.
But there was what we call bidding war.
Okay.
And we ended up paying 104,000.
Okay. And so how much do you think that you might put into it, and then what do you think you might be able to resell it for?
The way we renovate, we'll be putting up to 80 to 100,000 in this house.
Okay.
And then at the end of it, we'll sell it for like 260, 270.
Okay, so that's about like a $70,000 profit. That's not bad. That's not bad.
It is important to also stress the fact that I do this business with my husband. He is actually the manager. I am the designer and the advisor. And we do it collaboratively. It is really worth doing. And we have also encouraged the children, our children, to join in. Some of them have knack for it and some don't. So it is something that I will personally encourage anybody who wants to plan ahead for fun thing to do during and after retirement to get into, because it is really, really rewarding. This is one of the houses we just completed the renovation, and I tell you, the renovation that we did in this house, this is one of the things that's really, really make me excited doing this business, because this was a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home, but we have converted it to a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. That's what really, really excites me, seeing that a house that was almost nothing will turn out to be renovated to a point where somebody will actually live in it and enjoy it. Now we have seen the house that is about to be renovated, and now this is the one that has been renovated. And I'm happy that you and your husband are joining us to learn the business and get into the business, because it is rewarding. Also, like I keep saying, if you start early to invest in real estate, because that's where it is, you retire early and then enjoy life.
Who doesn't want to retire early?
Enjoy life.
So that's what I want to do. Cool. Well, thank you so much for showing us, giving us a taste into your world of real estate investment.
This is my world. This is what I breathe. I live and breathe.
Oh, you want to say thanks so much for watching?
Thank you guys for watching. Like Ijeoma said, if you have any questions, please feel free to hit us up.
Hit us up! Hit us up! Okay!